lockdown boredom kicking in, so thought I'd make a video on this weird thing that I have. This is my Castrol car. It's just a replica of a car from like the 90s or whatever, number 69, nice. So I picked this shell up, had an engine in it, race engine, pulled that out, put it in the red car, sold the red car, put my turbo motor and stuff in this, and it's now the drift car. Don't mind the ugly wheels. My good wheels are getting tyres fitted, but being in lockdown I can't pick them up yet. My sick new straight pipe is finally rusting. Good stuff. Did a track day in it, destroyed the mount for the bumper, lost the trim and the little piece that goes in there. It's a good wee car, goes well. Full cage. I'll just open her up. Very simple cage. Does the job. GoPro mount with some cable ties, as you do. We're going to the front. Have a look in here. Momo course wheel. I hate it. Just the way it spins. It's not very nice. You'll see it in a clip that I'll add from when we drifted it a couple weeks ago. Yeah, my classic handbrake that I made out of an S14 caster arm. 5-point harnesses. I have this little booster seat here just for comfort. I don't actually use it when I'm at the track, just when I'm like driving to the track and stuff. Yes, I drive this on the road. AEM wideband, it's the only real gauge I need. Speedo works, tacho works, but the temperature gauge and the fuel gauge do not. But I mean, don't need those. They are irrelevant. Yeah, the rest of it's pretty well gutted out. Let's go to the business side of things and have a look under the hood. It's got good old Wu-Tang on it, bumpers over here. Yeah. Oh, here she is. Yeah, just a 2.5 M50. Unopened. 260,000 Ks on it. Works a charm. 3076, 8.2 rear housing. Have melted that, but I was supposed to take it off before actually going out on track. I only ever put this cover on to keep water out of the coils. We have a 40mm GFB gate, and the screamer comes straight down here. Very good. It's melted out the bumper quite badly. I'm going to cut that all out to stop a fire hazard. 2.5-inch intercooler piping, a cheap intercooler I got. I think that was like $50 or something. Little catch can. Yeah, it's very basic. Has Bosch Green Giant injectors and Link ECU in there. Very, very simple car. Goes really well. I've got some e36 control arms down here that I'll be installing with my lock adapters to give me more angle, because at the moment it's just stock angle. Yeah, it goes well. Let's fire it up, see if it'll start cold. It doesn't really like starting cold, so we'll see. We will see. Watch it just click. Oh, my tacho's not working. Interesting. Yeah, it doesn't like cold start very much, but it's not really tuned for that. It's tuned to just go max throttle all the time. I'll let it warm up and then come back and give her some revs. Alright, she's warmed up enough. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah. Maybe we'll get some flames out the screamer, if we're lucky. now. Probably too cold.